Welcome to the video tutorials for configuring Genlab ovens, incubators and drying cabinets. Our latest touchscreen control offers accurate and easy to operate features, and this video is one of a variety of tutorial videos that can be found online at www.genlab.co.uk/videos. This chapter is on how to change over temperature alarms and reset methods. Every Genlab oven has an independent overheat safety shutdown that can be configured to your preference. There is a second safety probe within each oven which can be ready by pressing the I button and viewing the safety sensor. The overheat alarm can be changed from a set value, which is lower than the maximum temperature you want your product to see, or the maximum temperature rating of the oven. Alternatively, to protect your product, you can set this to a preset band which follows the active set point. This is called a band alarm. To change these, press the configuration icon, enter the password 0381 and go into the safety settings. Pressing value makes the oven trip at the value entered and will come out of alarm when the oven falls to the value set on the hysteresis. So, in the example, it would go into fault mode if the oven went past 210 and reset when it falls to 200. Alternatively, you can highlight deviation and then the oven will trip at this value above the active set point. This trip changes with the set point. Another feature with Genlab ovens is the availability to implement a manual reset should the oven fail, which allows operators to know if the oven has gone into alarm if they are not present. It will remain off until the operator resets the alarm after the temperature has fallen, as shown here. This is the safest configuration to operate the oven in. With Auto Reset method, the oven will turn itself back on when the temperature falls out of the alarm value when set in manual mode and the oven goes into alarm. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other chapters offering advice on the following functions at www.genlab.co.uk/videos.